Welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. We are going to be making a special face recipe, a beauty recipe that you can make from the comfort of your home. Banana face pack that will make you look very young, remove all the black spots on your face, and smoothen your face. In making this banana face beauty pack, I'm going to start with cucumber. I've washed my cucumber. Cucumber helps remove puffiness on your face. It helps combat aging, and its anti-inflammatory properties soothes the skin and gives you a glowing, blemish-free skin. I'm going to cut my cucumber with the back. I have diced just half of the cucumber. I did not cut the whole cucumber. This is just half of it. I've diced it. I've put it into the blender. And for the banana, you neatly peel the back and cut it into small pieces. It's one whole banana we're using. And then put in the blender together with the cucumber. And then blend the two together very smoothly. Here we have our banana face pack. You can keep it in a container and store it in the fridge. You can use it for up to 3 days. The vitamin A in banana restores moisture and smoothens out rough texture. Banana is a great exfoliator. It is also rich in potassium, which helps make the skin soft and supple. This great beauty recipe is very good to apply after washing your face clean. You apply it on your face, leave it to stay for about 1 hour, or preferably after it finished drying up, before you now wash. It's a very good recipe that exfoliates your skin, removes the rough edges, makes you look very young. That is, it removes all the wrinkles on your face and smoothens your face. It also removes black spots, making your face very bright and beautiful. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. As usual, please click and watch our other interesting beauty and hair care tips, and also follow our Facebook page at Zara Beauty Recipe. Please click on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. Thank you.